is July 4. Yeah, and it is Shania Twain's concert na sa Little Festival. So, yeah, we can't wait. Ready na kami na my all-time commitment, like with our girlfriends, our tribes. So, yeah, can't wait. So, so medyo excited na ito. So, good prepare na. So, Kalbong to will be going to a festival where it's the first time. So, yeah, see you. Hello there, prepared na! Tara! Alright, so, ito yung magiging ano natin. Wala akong tingnan mo, may pakaway na tayo there, no? Yeehaw! Yeehaw! So, yan, yun naman. So, ito tayo. Napagal lang kami ng konti, pero later mag-picture na lang ulit. But, yeah. So, ito yung ano natin. Ito yung outfit natin for today, for our concert. Ang dami natin mga needs. See you! Hello there. Welcome back to my channel. What kayo na naman? Naka-prepare na tayo na. Dapat ganito kasi siya. So, yeah, right, break muna tayo from our normal hair and eyebrow transplant because in a bit we'll be going to Rhythm Festival. We'll be attending the second day kasi parang first hapon was Hosier and today will be Shania Twain, right? So, yeah. Love, kumakatok na ata si ano. Yeah, andito na yung ano, andito na yung kasama namin. Dito na yung aming news. So yeah, in a bit, right, we'll take you to where? Saan ba yun? Sa Rhythm Festival ulit. So, yung ingi-ingi kasi nila. Kaya ayun. So, yeah. Ito yung mga special guests natin. So, yeah. Let's see. Ano, diba? Para, oh my God! Para, diba? Oh, look at her. Look at her, guys. So, may mga paano tayo. May mga pa-party tayo. Yours, love. Pakita mo. Yeah, so, yeah, medyo nagkakagulo na. So, later na lang, guys. Okay? I'll keep you posted.
Kaya mo ba doon?
Ay, makain tayo.
Say hi! Ready na naman yung mga tropa peeps dyan. So, pretty naman nito. Meron na tayong special guest. Right? So, kompleto yung color namin. Earthy ako. Diba? Tapos, Happy Valentine's naman si Michi. Tapos, The Grinch naman si Pabi. So, yeah. Jai, we're missing you.
Getting ready.
Hello guys! Laban lang tayo, laban lang. Ang pretty naman ng mga kasama namin. Look! Ayan na.
First ang love pa yan.
Pampadagdag kasi kailangan ko ng magaganda. So, go! See ya, we're just waiting for the taxi now. Yeah, bye-bye.
Ayan na pala. Sino siya?
Ito na po yung mga guests natin, mga special guests. My God! Mga sex bomb dancers na po tayo, opo.
Nakaka-cowboy boots mo siya.
Ay, ang ganda ng ano mo, Besh! Ang ganda ng ano mo, ng cowboy boots ba? Go na. Asa si Ate Kay? Di ba? Sobrang pretty. Yay! Sinong nawala? Sino daw naligaw?
Tayo.
Di ba pretty ka lang dyan, di mo sinabi sa atin. Happy birthday, Michi! To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
Blow.
Blow down.
Wala naman.
Blow mo.
Blow mo daw siya.
Blow mo mamaya. Happy birthday!
No picture bro, no picture.
Now we're going to the festival na guys. So, yeah. Start na yung hangin. So, tignan natin kung hanggang saan. Ito na tayo doon, di ba? We're going to the festival na guys. So, okay, we made it here na. We're inside na guys. So, the OBD stage. And that's Pabi. Na hindi natin sure kung kakayanin nyo yung lamig. And that's it. Tapos mayroon sila mga booths. So, here we are! Yay! So, we made it! Yeah. These are the girlfriends. So, say first time natin to have the Coachella Black Food.
Now the drugs don't work, they just make you worse. When I know I see.
I'm all about us coming together, the unity, believe what's happening outside, together we have become on a great time. So who's ready to keep this party going? Let me see those hands together, look up!
Thank you. familiar places. Maybe we're being foolish, maybe I'm blind. I can see through this, see what's behind. No way to prove it's new life. But I'm human, don't put your blame on me. Don't put your blame on me. Look in the mirror.
Singing to the one I love. Yeah, the one that I belong to. Still the one I want, one that I love, the only one I dream of. Still the one I kiss goodnight. My life with you, can't wait to start.
Uwian na. Didn't finish it kasi mahirap yung pauwi later. So, buti na lang. Love. Shania pa po. Shania pa more. Magsapan natin to. Ang lamig. Let's go, girls! Ay, ito na yung inaantay namin song! Feel like